In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF into an editable Canva design. Kindly like this video and subscribe to the channel. It truly helps us more than you can imagine. Thank you. To do this, we're going to come over here to the upload media here, and we're going to click on upload. We're going to upload the PDF file we want to convert to an editable design. I will select the PDF, and you see it starts loading up. Once the upload is complete, you will see that the PDF is going to appear as a design on our recent design. So you're going to click into the PDF and it will open up in the editor here, and you can see from here this one. If you double click, you can actually start changing this text. If you see this, you can actually start editing this. You can go through your PDF and see what you want to edit, what you want to tweak from it. You see how these are editable. Let me know if you have any questions. So have a good one.